Did you know bacon has been enjoyed for over 7,000 years? National Bacon Day, celebrated this year on August 20th, is a day to indulge in this crispy delight. From ancient China to modern-day America, bacon has been a beloved treat. Whether it's on a burger, in a salad, or even on a donut, bacon adds a delicious twist to any dish. How do you like your bacon? Celebrate by trying a new bacon recipe or sharing your favorite bacon dish on social media with hashtag National Bacon Day. But wait, there's more. Did you know today is also National Soft Ice Cream Day? Soft ice cream, invented in the 1930s, has become a staple at fairs, amusement parks, and ice cream shops. Its smooth, creamy texture is a favorite for many. From classic vanilla to adventurous flavors, soft ice cream offers endless possibilities. What's your favorite flavor? Did you know there's flavors like pizza, pistachio, and bacon? Celebrate by visiting your local ice cream shop or making your own soft serve at home. Don't forget to share your sweet treats with hashtag National Soft Ice Cream Day. Whether you're a bacon lover or an ice cream enthusiast, today is the perfect day to indulge. Happy National Bacon Day and National Soft Ice Cream Day.